Drone accidents are everywhere, or crashes, or hits people. What should we do? To make flights safer, we upgraded a new generation of Manti 2. Structure, design, and algorithm upgraded for smarter and easier operation. Thousands analysis of parachute opening experiments. Accumulate a large amount of user data. Flyfire designed a smarter and safer judgment algorithm, zero false triggering and zero risk, altitude and attitude sensor dual redundancy monitoring. If impacts, rolling, or rapid falling occur. Manti 2 can activate parachute opening standby mode. When rolling to the front, Manti 2 can open the parachute automatically, reducing possible twined ropes. 47 grams, equivalent to only 5% of the weight of the aircraft. Endless protection by consuming 90-second endurance. Greatly reduces buffer distance due to larger umbrella cloth. Rapid replacement for easy loading and repeated use. Better waterproof and dustproof. Type-C quick charging. 5-hour endurance guards 10 flights. Perfect match for Mavic Air, Mavic Pro, and Mavic 2. Easily installed in 10 seconds and switched on without settings. Smaller, smarter. This is Manti 2 for professional protection.